Good enough and a very, very good afternoon to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most valued and most treasured parts of our identity is our culture. And this culture is actually carried in many ways. And one of the most important ones, it's actually carried through our crafts. I met quite a lot of you at the Crafters Expo a few weeks ago in Nosori. I danced with one or two, I think. So it's good to see you all again. As the Minister for Commerce, Trade and Tourism Transport, what my ministry and I want to do is support more the grassroots business and processes that are actually leading up to all of this that we have here today. Our collaboration, ladies and gentlemen, is in this series of business training is to actually nurture and train and guide you. And we also want to bring you more opportunities for partnership to promote sustainable growth in this particular industry. This is why we have with us agencies such as the Registrar of Companies Office and Fiji Revenue and Customs Services. Ladies and gentlemen, as crafters and as artisans, you are an important part of many sectors. And you are the creative arts sector. You are the manufacturing and the retail sector. You are the tourism sector. And you are part of the culture and heritage sector. And I want you to remember that it's not just about one thing. You form a major part of all these different parts of the economy. So we're here to support you and to increase your contribution to the Fijian economy, and we want you to play a much greater role. Ladies and gentlemen, we have established a dedicated unit in the ministry solely for micro, small and medium enterprises, and MSME Fiji's primary role is to provide business hand-holding services to MSMEs to unlock the barriers and create a more enabling business environment. Our priority, ladies and gentlemen, is to raise the productivity of MSMEs and to do so by investing in your capabilities that we need for the future. So I am told today that out of the 19 participants today, 16 are women. So let's give a huge round of applause to all the 16. You know, Fiji is surprisingly got quite a large number of female entrepreneurs in all the different sectors in life. Entrepreneurship, ladies and gentlemen, particularly women and entrepreneurs in Fiji, have shown promising progress over the years. And we have the stats and the numbers to prove it. This is due to the proper business environment and support provided to MSMEs. And I encourage you all to get your businesses registered. One of the most recent programs is the Trade Enhancement Program, which provides support for those with a special trade. So of the 1,808 applicants received, 67% were enthusiastic women entrepreneurs. And this, in fact, is an investment, and I encourage you all to apply for this particular grant of $500. Additionally, the Fijian government released a specific product solely for women entrepreneurs, and this allocation of $1 million is actually dedicated for Fiji Development Bank to support women entrepreneurs in realizing their visionary business ideas. I also encourage you to apply for this particular opportunity also. Apart from providing a series of business training and business costing and cash flow and marketing plans, the ministry also looks after the Fijian Made by Fijian brand, a national brand that businesses like you can leverage from. You're all quite well aware of the branding. So with your creative talents that allures one's attention, it needs to be recognized and acknowledged that it is actually locally made. And as policy makers, we recognize this. Most importantly, with the increase of of cruise ships coming back to our shores. It is your opportunity to showcase your talent with the added recognition of the Fijian craft emblem on your product. To date, ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry has registered over 700 businesses and approximately 6,000 products that were actually registered under the brand. So with the emblem onto your product, it represents your hard work and effort in achieving economic empowerment. This is not a small feat. I think you all need to remember that. It is economic empowerment. And I'm sure we can all agree that there's a different sense of joy when you see your local products overseas or even on TV. With commitment, with partnership, and a lot of pride, a lot of national pride, we have the ability to actually produce world-class products and enhance the Fijian-made brand and what it represents. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to make use of this great opportunity and register your businesses under the Fijian-made by Fijian brand. I'm told that we've actually received about 18 applications already, which is very, very encouraging. Once you get your Fijian-made license, please do keep in mind that you are the custodians of the brand. And it is also your responsibility to maintain the image and the reputation and the standard that the brand is actually known for, and in terms of it also being renowned for its quality. So ladies and gentlemen, not day for long speeches. I know you're probably hungry already. So with those few words, I hope training has set the foundation in improving your businesses in days to come. And I'd like to say this again, that please remember you are all talented, and our role is to actually help yourselves. And we hope to roll out more similar training on the Western and Northern Division, focusing on our crafters. Please continue to engage with us and keep networking amongst yourself. And please remember what I said right at the beginning. All of this is part of our culture, which we must not forget, which we must not lose. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon.
Paula nile lua. Paula.
Estamos here.
Nada, tua Paula?